Welcome back to Breaking Limits with Eddy, where we turn pressure into power and every setback into a stepping stone. Today's video is one a lot of people need right now. It's on how to turn your setbacks into strategies. Not just bouncing back, but bounce forward. Because the truth is simple. You don't grow when life is easy. You grow when life forces you to think differently. Let's get into it. So in the first section, let's talk about the reality of setbacks. Most people think that setbacks are a sign to stop. But in reality, setbacks are feedback. They are life's way of saying, something needs to change. Pay attention. Every failure, every embarrassment, every wrong turn carries information. But most people delete the past instead of learning from it. Setbacks and stop signs. They are signals. And once you understand that, your whole life shifts. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift. To turn setbacks into strategy, you need one mindset shift. What is the shift, you may ask? It is simple. You didn't fail. You paid some tuition. Every mistake cost you something. Money, time, reputation, opportunities, or peace. But here's the question. Did that cost buy you wisdom? Or did it go to waste? High performers don't avoid mistakes. They simply refuse to repeat them. So when you experience a setback, ask yourself, what did this teach me? What system failed? What pattern did I ignore? What does this prepare me for next time? This is how you turn pain into data. I'd like to think that you've got that point. Now let's move to the third part, which is the tuition payment strategy. This strategy will change how you look at every setback. I will share some steps with you. The first step, label the loss. Instead of hiding from the mistake, give it a name. For example, I lost money. I trusted the wrong person. I took a shortcut. I wasn't disciplined. Let's move to the second step. Identify the tuition. You may ask yourself a question. What did this teach me that I could have learned any other way? This makes failure an investment. Don't you think so? Now, the third step. Build the new rule. Every setback must produce a strategy. Let me give you a few examples. Next time, I'll get everything in writing. I don't hire out of desperation. I don't respond emotionally. I save 10% of every income. I don't ignore red flags. Your setback becomes a system, and systems create success. Are you enjoying this? Let's now talk about the 48-hour decompression rule. When something goes wrong, emotions take over. Anger, shame, fear, overthinking. So here's a rule used by elite performers. Take 48 hours before making decisions. Don't quit. Don't reply. Don't retaliate. Don't panic. Just decompress. Observe. Reflect. After 48 hours, you'll be thinking from clarity, not chaos. That's where strategy lives. I still got a lot to share with you. Now, let's talk about the breaking limits framework. Here's a simple framework you can use for every setback. The first one is pause the emotions. Sit with it. Don't respond. Extract the lesson. You may like to ask questions. For example, what did this setback cost me and what did it teach me? The third strategy, build the strategy. Write down a rule or system that prevents it from repeating. The fourth one, apply it immediately. What does that mean? Change one behavior today, not tomorrow. Today. This is how you grow forward instead of going in circles. So, limit breaker, if this helped you, subscribe to Breaking Limits with Eddy for daily motivation, resilience strategies, and the mindset you need to rise again stronger. Leave a comment. My setback is now my strategy. And I will reply to everyone. Until next time, break your limits, not your spirit.